This is lesson 14, and like in real life, you make mistakes. We somehow inadvertently swapped east and west walls. So the three openings you see here and the two openings you see here ought to be opposite each other. Let's see if we can. There's the east elevation, and that east elevation is actually a west elevation because I misnamed it. So how can we fix that? One way to go about it, and let's turn on the west elevation as well. One way to go about it. This is lesson 14. We've discovered some corrections that need to be made. I'm not sure how we're going to propagate these corrections through the other lessons. So we inadvertently swapped the east and west walls. So I've deleted all the openings that we modeled on the east and west walls. We're going to do those over again. And there are a couple of errors that we're going to fix. This is an accessible model, that is ADA handicap accessible. So the openings for these door openings have to be 36 inches. They are 32 inches, so we're going to enlarge them by 4. I'm going to do that very quickly. We're going to start with that. The easy way to do it quickly, let's go ahead, is to take the face of this one opening, move it in that direction 4 inches, so that if I take the tape measure tool to the opening, it measures 36. We'll do the same for the door opening in the bathroom. Move that face in the red direction 4 inches, and that fixes that. If I close this group, if I want to do, my guides were in the wrong place, so if I wanted to modify the guide, I would move the guide, but there's no need to do that. I'll just delete it so that it doesn't confuse the viewer, and delete that guide which formed the other edge of that door. So let's close that group. The rest of the same procedure, we're going to model the window over in the kitchen area in this double window. So I'm going to double click this group, outline the double window, outline the single window. Nothing different here from how we originally performed these operations. In order to save time, I've gone around and painstakingly finished the corrections to the exterior openings in the exterior walls, and we enlarged the two openings, one to the bathroom there and one to the bedroom there, that needed to be 36 inches wide. And that's saved out as lesson 14, so let's make sure these are properly named. That says west elevation. That actually should be the east elevation. So let's call this elevation east. The name needs to be unique, so west, east, new. That's fine. Okay. And then what I call the east elevation so everything is properly named now. South elevation is, in fact, the side. Solar north is correctly oriented. North elevation is correct. And we can proceed with the model. So the lesson 14 model is a correct version. Up to lesson 13, the east and west facades were reversed. So either we'll fix the lessons to that point, or you may start with this model.